Okay, so I'm working on getting this driver's window out, and got to do that because the outer flange traps the upper cap. So I take a bunch of screws out here. Alright, so I don't want my window to fall out. So I've got a piece of wood on the outside. I got it strapped up here just in case. Probably not going to just fall out, but that would be a bad day. Okay, one more screw here. Alright, there's a split frame. So I'm guessing I just have to push and it'll come out. Or not. Alright. I gotta go on the outside and cut the sealant off, maybe. Okay, so got all the screws out, and I think got a little bit of sealant to cut around this flange here, and hopefully that'll free that guy up. So I'll get it cutting some of this. Okay, so this looks like it's working. All right, looks like it's loose. I think I'll I'll go inside and mess with it, and then come back out here and see if I can pop it out without breaking it. Alright, she's loose. It's a little heavier than I thought it'd be. So, I guess I'll have to go carry it from the outside. Okay, I got it rusting on the ladder. I gotta get this board out. Close one. All right. Definitely better idea to use two people, but it is what it is. Got it out one piece. So take a look at it here and see what it looks like. Looks like we got aluminum frame. It's all aluminum there, so got a little delamination going on here. I already glued the front back, so I'm probably gonna inject some glue in there, epoxy or something, and before it all goes back together. And there's the cap. Where we gotta remove that. Anyways, down there's the window, and looks like it just had a bead of some sort of sealant here that I had to cut through with a knife. Well, anyways, get this those screws pulled out of this, and figure out where I'm going to cut the top or the cap up there, and guess that's next, to get this removed. Well, it does look like there's some sort of a foam weather strip type seal in here. Not real sure. I'll have to research that a little bit to see what to go back in with. If I want to use some foam or butyl tape or something, and then of course seal it in the end before it goes, or after I get it put back up in there, put a bead of sealant along it. But anyways, that's what it looks like. So yesterday got this door frame removed, or partially removed. Give us access to get this front cap out and the new one slid in there and get some sealant behind it. So maybe a little better view of it. Had some broken off screws where the hinges were. Had to kind of make a mess of those. But you can kind of see back in there where the screw holes got boogered up. A couple of them did, but probably tap those all out instead of the self tappers that were in it. Put some sheet metal screws or some machine screws in there, probably 1032s, maybe button heads, and tap the holes, and then we'll put never sees all back on them, so if I ever got to get it off, it won't be such a pain in the butt. But anyways, there's the door removed. Got to fix screens. Got the screen frame was broken off in the crash, so I'll have to repair that. And then it looks like this frame's bent. Fix that, and that's what the hinges look like. So there was 2 holes, so that will relocate it perfectly. And then they had slots, but by inserting these 2 screws first, same thing on the bottom, that should realign that door perfectly again. So, and of course you had to take the upper door stay bracket off also. But anyways, keep on it going.